Hello friends, I made the mistake of not reading the manual carefully on this tool. I complained on my last video that the drill bit falls out. Well, you pull out the collar and it doesn't fall out. So let me show you. Instructions say this pull out this collar, drop in the, put in the bit. I pull on a little bit and it locks. See? It's locked in there. So that was my terrible. And while it's running, you could set the levels. Let me show you. Okay. Okay. That's the battery indicator showing it has a full battery. And this is whether you want low torque or high torque. So I set it on low torque. And yeah, it's an excellent tool. See, it doesn't come out.